1968 Dodge Dart GTS. And yes, this is the real deal GTS. And that can be proven, of course, by the VIN and the data plate on this one, the fender tag. All right, underneath the hood, numbers matching, 340 V8 engine, and that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Now, one of the good things about this car, factory AC car, and it is working AC, blows cold, also power steering, would be a factory front disc brake car also. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay and be able to see what I'm talking about as far as the 340 underneath there, check out the undersides, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. If you're interested in a Dodge Dart, I don't know if you're going to find a nicer one out there. Make sure you give a call if you see this video and you are interested. I don't foresee this car lasting long here at Unique, especially in classics. As you can see, chrome, nice shape on this car. This is also the way this car would have came, with a silver metallic paint, black vinyl interior, and I have been up and down and around this car. I mean, you really got to be nitpicky. The only thing that I seen that was a blemish or something just not perfect on it, and I don't even know if I can get it to show up in the camera, but there's, yeah, you're really not going to be able to see it in pictures or video. You got to be in person, and it is minute, and I'm talking it being picky going through this car. Extremely nice car. Now, take a look up and down this passenger side. You can see how straight this car is. That is because this car is all original sheet metal, with the exception of the driver's quarter, and that is it. Otherwise, all original sheet metal. Extremely solid car before it started its restoration. Take a look at the black vinyl. That is the correct interior that this would have came with. Center console. As you can see, your AC vents down below, AC controls above the radio. The other thing about this car, everything working on it. Wipers, horn, radio. Like I said earlier, AC. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I mentioned still pictures a little bit ago. Make sure you take a look at the underside of this car, also finished off beautifully. Looks the same from top to bottom. Take a look at the bright work on the rear of this car around the tail lights. Chrome bumper, of course, dual exhaust coming out the back here. All the GTS emblems. Black vinyl top, also in great shape on this one. This car actually came out of a collection in our area, one of the larger Mopar collectors around here. As with other cars, the stuff that he has is always top-notch, clean, ready to drive. How good does it look with those red line wheels, matching silver metallic steel wheels, and then of course the wheel covers. Just a perfect look on this car. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. You know it's going to look like the rest of the car. Door panels, again, great shape. I have floor mats in here because I'm going to get in and out of it, but there is pictures underneath the floor mats of the carpeting. Carpeting also in nice shape. You can see vinyl is not worn, really showing any signs of age at all. Seat belts front and rear. Take a look at the headliner. Sorry about the glare, a little tougher to get that, but headliner also in nice shape. Doesn't hardly look like the rear seat's been sat in. All right, best part, let's fire this thing up. And that's how easy it starts. Fuel gauge works. Temperature gauge will come up with engine temp. Alternator gauge also working. Come around to the side, I want to show you this radio. Fires right up. Works fine. Click the AC on. Don't even have to hit max AC, and it is blowing cold now, so that's how long it takes for it to blow cold. Take a look at the dash, and when I say blow cold, it will keep you cool. It's not, oh maybe it kind of works. It works. Wipers work. Horn works. I want to be able to, or won't be afraid to get in and drive this car anywhere. I'm going to turn that AC back off. It literally is cold already. All right, slip around to the back. Let's listen to this. Oh, that door closes also. All right, there we go. Listen to that 340, and again, numbers matching. Wow. All right. One last thing. Let's pop this hood. Check out this engine bay. See how that looks underneath there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Yep, how neat and tidy is this? Just what you'd expect. There's that 340. Original engine of this car. The other thing I want to mention, this is the original fender tag, not a repop. Take a look at this. The AC compressors are more modern, so it's going to be much more efficient, cool better. Actually has custom-made bracket to fit on the 68. Those need to be done. Didn't quite line up, I should say hook up the same as the factory would have. Custom-made bracket so you can keep the factory AC in the car. Only more modern pump or compressor on there. So it's going to blow cold. As you can see, it's also converted over from the fittings. Engine base painted to match the car. Just the way it should look. It's a beauty, folks. No doubt about it. Take a look at the underside pics. Look this one over. Check out the trunk pics also. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number, one last time, 507-386-1726. Again, remember, this is all original sheet metal with the exception of the driver's quarter. One of the other things I wanted to touch on, the radiator had been recored. This car's been gone through. Full restoration. It's a nice one. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.